You ever feel like nothing you do moves the needle? Like you're running, but the finish line keeps moving. I get it. That's why today I'm teaching small daily wins. Real, repeatable moves that change your finances and your confidence, even when you're broke. Hey, I'm Kaleef Williams, dad of 3 beautiful daughters. I used to work insane shifts and feel stuck. What saved me wasn't a huge break. It was tiny wins stacked over time. If you're broke now, this video is for you. Why big moves fail while you're broke. When money's tight, people try huge moves. A new job, flipping everything, or chasing the next get rich fast thing. Problem is, those things take time, risk, and energy you don't have. That's why you need daily wins. Small, low friction actions that restore confidence and momentum. Small wins change your mindset. A $5 sale, one email or learning session builds confidence, fuels consistency, and consistency multiplies. The broke season trains you to respond to emergency. Daily wins teach you to respond with strategy. Some small wins you can start today. Track one expense daily, even $3. That awareness changes choices. Second, send one value message. DM or comment where your future customer is. One meaningful message a day. Third, learn 10 minutes. Read, watch something specific. Traffic, copy, or offer. 4, declutter one subscription. Cut $5 to $15 monthly. Small wins add up. 5th, list the item to sell. A quick flip funds confidence. A one-line pitch. Clarity sells daily. Follow one person doing it. Learn and model. Don't imitate blindly. Do one micro thing. Post a small offer and measure the results. And celebrate the win. Say, I did that. Gratitude keeps you consistent. And how these small wins build in the income systems? Stacked. These moves create traffic, proof, offers. That's how I went from working 12 plus hour shifts to getting paid daily. Small tests, daily learning, consistent outreach, then plugging into a system that scales the work. Automation, follow up, done for you offers is what I'm talking about here. Week 1, daily tracking plus a learning session. Week 2, start outreach. List one thing to sell. Week 3, run micro offer tests and collect testimonials. Week 4, plug winners into a simple sales flow. Email plus DM plus a funnel page. Repeat, build momentum. Celebrate every micro win. If you want the exact step-by-step system I use to go from broke to daily pay using these small wins, I laid it out at getdailypayments.com. Drop a comment. Which small win will you start with today? I will reply.